Welcome to Creative Tien channel. Today I want to make a crocheted pattern. It's based on this, that's called the flower of life. And this is an ancient symbol that represents creation. So I think it's interesting to recreate it with crochet because it basically looks like a crochet pattern. So here is a little bit of study. Basically, there are 3 levels. The first circle has the 6 legs, and for the second layer, we extend to 3 legs for each corner. And the third layer, for the corner, we have the 3, just like the second layer. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corners. And in between the corners, we have only 2 legs. That's in the center here, 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 here. So to keep it simple, I'm going to just use 1 stitch for each of the leg. In the future, we can do the 2-stitch version. So it looks more like this pattern. It will be more puffed up. And for the stitch I'm using is called triple crochet in the US or treble. And the UK term, I believe it's called double treble. This stitch makes the legs longer, so the pattern will stand out more. And I'm going to use this yarn, that's tape yarn called the Rewind from Lion Brand. I think they will make the crochet more sturdy, and I can probably use it as a coaster. When I use a regular yarn, it's difficult to see the shape that well because it's too flexible. So we'll start with the ring. You can use any method to start the ring in the center. Some people do the magic ring, and some people like to do several chain stitches and connect them with a slip stitch to create a circle. Another method I found I really like is called a double magic ring. You just grab the yarn, wrap it 3 times on your finger, and insert the hook, grab the yarn from the left, and do that. That's your magic ring. And you just start crocheting. And for this stitch, you can use 3 or 4 chain stitches for the height. I'm going to do like a 3 here. And this is the first leg of the center here. And then I'm going to do the new stitches on the top. So for the stitches on the top, that's the top of the triangle, I will use chain stitches. So I create 3 chain stitches here. 3 chain stitch. And we go back to the center. I'm going to do the triple crochet or the treble crochet. So to do that, you wrap on the hook twice and insert to the magic ring. Go through 2 loops. Go through 2 loops. Go through 2 loops. You can also switch the triple crochet with the double. You will just be smaller pattern. So that's our first triangle. Now we'll continue. We are going to do the top of this triangle. So it's 3 chain stitches and then 1 triple crochet. So 3 chain stitches. And then twice, go back to the magic ring in the center. 2, go through 2 loops, and then 2 loops. That's our third leg, and we'll just keep repeating until we have 6. 3 chain, triple crochet, three chain, triple crochet. We need one more. Now we have 6 legs. I'm going to connect it. I can tighten the center by pulling the end of the tail. So I do another 3 chains and do a slip stitch to connect it. And that should be about the third. 1, 2, 3. The third chain stitch from the bottom up and slip stitch. That's our first round. And then we'll continue to the second round. I think easier we start with this one because you see the corner, that's 3. 1, 2, 3. So we'll do clusters of 3, 3. It's a 3, 3, 3, 3. So every point here has 3 stitches. So we'll start with the first stitch here, and this is the height, so we can do 3 chain stitches. And then again, we want to do the top of this triangle, and so we do another 3 chain stitches. And now we are going to do the center one. This is 1 triple crochet into this stitch, the same stitch. Now we create the first triangle. Now we want to continue this side, so I need to add 3 chain stitches to create the top, and then 1 triple crochet back to the same stitch. Now we create our first 3-leg pattern here. This is 1, and we have another one here, another one here. So each of the point is a corner. You will need the 3 legs. So we just keep continue. We are here now, so we will do 1 triple crochet to the next point, and then do chain stitch, and then triple crochet. Triple crochet first to the next point here. I will just do under the chain stitch. And then 3 chain stitches. And then another triple crochet. Back to the same stitch. And then 3 chain, 1 triple crochet. Now you can see this is the second corner. We already have 3 legs. That's this one. 3 legs. So we'll continue to the next one. We'll look at the corner here. We'll need 3 legs. So first, we are here right now. I can do a triple crochet, 3 chain, triple crochet, 3 chain, triple crochet. Okay. Go to the next point here. Three chain stitches, triple crochet, Now we have 3 legs to this point, and we go to the next one. So it's the same again. We'll do a triple crochet to the next point. And then chain 3, triple crochet, chain 3 again, now we have 3 legs to this point. We'll move on to the next one. Three chain, triple crochet, and we'll just keep repeat until the end. Chain, now we have 3 legs again to this point. We can move on to the next point. That's the last one too. Three chain, we have 2 legs now. We need 1 more, 3 more chain. Now we finish the whole round. We are back to here, this point, so we want to connect it to the first leg here. So we count 3 stitches around here. You can do a slip stitch. Now we finish the second round. That's what it looks like. Now we'll continue the third round. The third round is the same in the corner because every corner has 3 legs. So the one I put a dot is a corner. It has 3 legs. 3 legs. 3 legs. And in the center, we only have 2. So check where we are right now. I'm here in this pattern right here. See the triangle? Here's a triangle. And that's a corner. So I can start here, do the 3 chain stitches, and start the same pattern as before for this 3 leg corner. So we'll do the 3 chain stitches. That's this one. And then triple crochet to the next point here. So that's the first leg of this corner, and we'll do it the same as before. 3 chains for the top, and then triple crochet, 3 chain, triple crochet. So go to the same stitch. Three chain, triple crochet. Now we finish the corner, that's the 3 legs here, and we'll do the center one for the next point here. This one we only have 2 legs. So we are here right now, we'll do a triple crochet, 3 chain, and then triple crochet back to the same spot. And make sure you see the triangle shape below. So this is one triangle. I like to go under here, like in the big holes in the center for the next stitch. This is a triangle. So we do a triple crochet, go to the big hole here. and then 3 chain stitches, another triple crochet to the same spot. That's our center triangle here. The next will be the corner again with the 3 legs. So we'll do a triple crochet to the next spot here, and then 3 chains, triple crochet again, and 3 chains again, and triple crochet again to the same spot. So now we have 3 legs. That's the corner. This is the first corner, the center with 2 legs, and then another corner. And we'll just keep repeating the 3 legs corner and the 2 legs triangle. Now we are going to do the 2 leg triangle again. We do the triple crochet. I go under the stitches in the big center opening here. And then 1, 2, 3. That's a triangle with 2 legs. And then we do corner again. And we finish the corner with 3 legs. And we'll go back to the triangle. This is a triangle below. We go under it. Three chain. That's the center triangle, and then we'll do corner again. We'll just keep repeating that. This is what we have so far. Now we are back to the last few stitches. You can compare it to the chart. This is this line here. So we need to do 1 more here. That's this one. We do 1 more stitch, make 3 chain, and do a slip stitch to connect. So we do triple crochet back to this stitch. And then we'll do 3 chain stitches and just connect to the top of this triangle. Slip stitch. So we just finished the flower of life. I'm going to cut the yarn. So that's the finished product. It's a little bit more stiff than the acrylic yarn. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.